Girls are going to trouble, no water.
So, years ago, right? I saw an epic story in the making. A story that I could be a part of. A kind of story where anybody could play the hero and actually help save the world from some of its water issues. Before the story even began, you'd find me protesting, traveling, finding himself. He has no idea. No idea what he's about to get into.
Wade in the water, wade in the water, children, wade in the water. Girls are going to trouble, no water.
My name is Ryan Beltran. I'm the founder of a nonprofit that nobody can pronounce, elequa. Elequa. We're best known for the MakeWater program, where we challenge you to improve, tweak, edit, research, develop a water purification process. A process we bottled up, literally. We designed a kit that you can make yourself that runs the electrocoagulation process. And here it is, water getting coagulated. Studies have shown the ability to kill bacteria, remove heavy metals such as arsenic and lead. Become a citizen scientist by researching and tackling real-world water issues, all while learning about robotics, coding, 3D printing, and STEM-related fields. And as a community, we not only share our data, but we share our stories.
Greetings, elequa MakeWater students, and welcome to Antarctica.
We're here in outskirts of Medellin. We're with the community that has been displaced by violence.
Now it ain't no more probably talking about the violence that's going on.
Yeah.
It's more about the water. But then now the water's getting swept under the rug. What's going to be the next topic now?
So every season, our kit gets better because of your input. And you can look back and say you helped be a part of this. Oh yeah, and the program is free. All you need is a kit. And we're crowdsourcing contributions so we can give away kits for free as well. I don't know if it's going to pan out. I don't know if it's going to work. A big part of it isn't up to me. It's up to you. But at least I'm giving it a shot. Now do me a favor. Take out your phone or your laptop. Open whatever calendar app you use. Pick a day 5 years from now and make a note with the following question. You had the chance to be part of something epic. Did you take it? So if you want to participate, you want to purchase a kit, you want to donate a kit, you can do all that at MakeWater.org. You can also support us for as little as $1 a month at patreon.com/MakeWater.